Okay guys, so my name is Kevin Mangum. I'm a local realtor here in the Houston area. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time to my channel, thank you. You want to get any and everything you need to get to know about the Houston area. You get that, whether it's homes, whether it's just living in Houston and eating in Houston, all the different things you get to do in the fourth largest city in America. If you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Beazer product. This is a duet product. So it's almost like you're looking at townhomes or you're looking at like a duplex, but they're actually more designed as a regular home. This particular floor plan is actually the Grand Rouge. It's actually a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, and a 2-car garage, right under 2,000 square feet. So what I will tell you about this, the duets start around 300,000. I think starting here in the Houston area around 340. And so with the duets, you got a couple of benefits of actually owning a duet. One, they cover your lawn care. They take care of it, they cut it. You don't have to worry about that. So that's gonna be tied into your HOA. Also, they will come and touch up paint your home, especially with the black and white contrast. Sometimes you might notice some greenery, grass stains, or some things that might just pop up on a home. They cover that, as well as the roof. So you get that all encompassed with Beazer. And the one thing about Beazer, they pride themselves on being more energy efficient. You will see that as I tour the home in one of the particular rooms where they kind of show you a sample of their engineered wood, their spray foam technology, and just how they wrap the home to make the home more efficient, and it cuts down on your costs. Especially here in Houston, Texas, which like today, we're over 100 degrees. It's hot, that's why I'm inside versus outside, because I'll be pouring out sweating, speaking to you guys. So what I want you to do, enjoy this floor plan, and you guys let me know what you think. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful tour of Grand Rouge. Like I said, this is a great product, especially if you're looking to downsize or you're first time home buyers and you really want that home feel, but at the same time you don't want a huge home, 4,000 square feet. You get half of that. But if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you. Like I said, we're wanting to make sure we can put you in the best product for you and your family and give you as much information as we can, whether it's for Beazer or the Eylson community, or Katy, Texas, or anywhere in the Houston area. We look forward to talking with you guys soon. And have a blessed day.